Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie, where we make cards and other paper crafts. So more unboxing today. We're almost at the end of my holiday purchases, which is exciting. So we can get creating. At least I'm excited for creating. If I can break into this thing. Oh, here we go. Oh, right. I had forgotten what I ordered. That was so bulky. Okay, so this is exciting. I got myself some Distress White Heavystock. I'm going to try this out, see how I like it. I'm sure I'll love it. Let's be serious. And then I have the Winter Big Scripty Words from Fawn. I got more of these Pawsitively Everything storage boxes. They are fabulous. I used them to keep me organized while I was creating my holiday cards. I got this beautiful stamp set this was designed by Christina Werner. It's called Snowflake Edges. It is just beautiful. So I'm hoping to use that in my own Get Crackin' on Christmas. And then finally the stitched snowflake backdrop. This thing has been out of stock since I basically decided that I wanted it. And this is really exciting that it's finally in stock and finally in my little paws. Then I got the Kathy Zilski Caesar Design Boop die. I love this thing. I just want to see how big it is. My daughter and I have made it into a game. Whenever I watch a Kathy Zilski video, her and I boop noses. Boop. Just boop. All the time, boop. Oh, it's such a cute size. I love that. Okay. Next up, I got the Magic of Christmas stamp set from Simon Says Stamp, and I have had my eye on this thing, you guys, for like 2 years now. I think it's so pretty. It's got these dainty little poinsettias. It's got the greenery, all of the stuff that you think about for Christmas. And I really love the script. I think it's just so pretty. So I cannot wait to start playing with that. Then I got some clear pockets. These are the Pawsitively Everything clear pockets from Simon. I had thoughts for these, and I can't remember quite what they were right now. But I will definitely be putting some stuff in there and letting you guys know. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a craft room tour. Thought that might be nice. And then I got these Distress Mica stains. I got these from Simon because, and I'll link to it here. If you remember when I got these, the peppermint sticks seemed weird. So I finally got these when they came back in stock for like a hot minute. And I'm going to try this out. Not that I mind having them extra because, I mean, you saw those mica stains, right? They were fabulous. And then I picked up a couple more markers for the upcoming Jen Shirka's class, which is called Love Notes, I think. And also the Create With Us Fawn class called Sent With Love, I think. Yes. All right. So I'm going to put these things back in here. And I have another package that I want to show you guys. This one's from my not so local scrapbook store. And in here, I have a couple of things. Again, I'm just removing the price tags here. Bear with me. That are oldies but goodies. This is the Simple Stripes Landscape. And there we go. And the Simple Stripes Portrait. And Here's some info in case you're interested. And what else do I got? A couple of things. I have a V000 marker. No reason for that one. I just wanted it. I find that I don't quite have enough of the V markers, plus the zeros make really nice bubbles. There, you can actually see it now. The zeros make really nice bubbles. So like I'm thinking of Fawn's Bubbles of Joy. And then I got myself some Spellbinders Best Ever Craft Tape, just to try it out. And we'll see what that's like. All right, that's it for me. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.